Kaohsiung residents saw white gas leaking from the city's sewage system at about 8:40 p.m. The first explosion went off at 10 p.m., followed by a second at 11:25 p.m. that injured 50 firefighters. The third explosion took place at 12 a.m. and carved a large trench through the center of a road. The first three explosions occurred within a 3-kilometer diameter area. Footage of an explosion recorded from a car's dash cam has been released on the internet. At least a dozen explosions in total took place before 2 a.m. Authorities evacuated people from the area between Sandwa 2nd Road and Ersheng 1st Road, and restricted car traffic from entering an area between Wuchuan Street and Zhongshan 2nd Road.